LasFit sent me headlights from the 2040s for Silva, my 2022 Silverado. This is the unboxing of those headlights. There are two sets of headlights in here. They both look the same. They're in the same box. One is for the high beams and one is for the low beams. They're the exact same part number, so don't panic like I did and message LasFit and say, why did you send me two of the same thing? They also included the tail lights and they included the license plate lights. Let's use my jerry rig everything knife and tear into these LasFit Pros and see what kind of goodies lay inside. Pretty easy. LasFit Pro, LED lighting, excellent. The box is satisfying to use and to open. Kind of overwhelmed at this particular moment. I've never seen headlights that were wrapped so nice. Most of them are just in chintzy packaging. Kind of similar to the tail lights and the LED license plate lights. There's some packaging. There's some instructions. These headlights are pretty interesting. They come with a nice pigtail that plugs into the factory harness. You don't have to add anything to these. The housings are made of metal, which is great. They have built-in heat sinks and fans. Pretty nice. I'm tapping them with my knife just to prove that they're metal. Let's put those back. Packaging's secure. Everything's good to go. We'll get that put away. If y'all are interested in these headlights, I'll have an installation video coming up soon. Like I said before, there's two boxes that come. They're the exact same thing. One's for the high beams, one's for the low beams. I do have affiliate links below if you'd like to buy some of these from LasFit's website. I'd very much appreciate it. I do get a commission from those. Have a good day, guys.